Yo, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in and welcome back. Uh, going to be installing speakers on the white Touring today. I'm just going to be doing the back ones. They're much easier to get to. You don't even have to take much off. I mean, everything's still in place. But for you guys that don't know, you just basically take the cover of the speaker off and you have access to the speakers. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here, but trust me, you can get the back speakers off with just removing that cover. And there's 4 Phillips screws. Yeah. But anyways, I got these speakers from where did I get it from? From Walmart. I ordered 2 boxes. These are going to go to back. Obviously 2 for the front. And I got the speaker and wiring harness kit, so I don't have to splice in or anything. You just tap in and then you just hook up this end to the speaker. It's gonna make installation a whole lot easier, and it's gonna be real cool, But yeah, I picked these up on Walmart for about 21 bucks a set. It's a really good deal. I heard a lot of good reviews about this, so I thought I'd give them a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody. Now, here's the stock OEM speaker that I took out. There's that harness where it connects into. And then here's the new speaker that we're going to be putting in. Very nice equipment. So that's how those harnesses hook up. You can't mix it up because all the wires are colored and they only fit a certain side, so it makes installation a whole lot easier. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one buttoned up, and I'll bring you guys back. Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see, I got the new speaker buttoned up. Fits great. I didn't have to take really anything off except the covers. They just pop off with little clips. And you can access the rear speaker just like that. I still got the stock one on that side. Gonna change that one out. But it looks good. Looks real good. But that's gonna do it, guys. Just wanted to show you how to install the rear speakers and what I went with, and the correct things to use. Straight plug and play, and makes better tunes for your car. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I make these videos so you guys could get ideas, and if you like it, let me know that I'm doing my thing. But anyways, you guys have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one.